I have to wait that long?
Yeah.
I'm bad at this.
Why?
I'm just plobbing paint on. Well guys, unbelievably, we're done with the living room. We've finished another room of the house. And while it doesn't look like much, you guys know a lot of work went into it. We have a few finishing touches to fully complete it, which is just hole filling all the trim, because you guys know you see all those little finish nail holes. So we have a lot of hole filling to do, and then pick up some doorknobs for the closet and bedroom, and perhaps paint the front door at some point, because I think it looks unfinished being white. I don't want it black, maybe an accent color. So we're gonna think about that, but otherwise the room is done. Look at this, we have power, we have lights, all the trim complete, and it's looking awesome. We have to hang the smoke alarm. I haven't done that yet because we've had a lot of work to do, and the bedroom still isn't finished on the other end. So I have all the smoke alarms, smoke detectors already, but since they're linked and they're on one circuit, I just left them off because they're going to be in the 2 bedrooms and then hall areas. So little finishing touches. But look at this, looking fantastic. Closet still needs work. We're going to pick up some closet like hardware, but not only that, I didn't do inside here as far as trim goes, so we still need trim all the way around. We'll worry about that later. I like the skinny trim we're using in this house. It's a feature that we're doing to save a little bit of money, but also to keep it slim because we don't want it being too heavy with this black. And everything is so tight in here. Like you can see how close the door comes to the ceiling. So, you know, fat trim just gets awkward. So we're sticking with the small stuff. It's a little trickier to install, I think, but it looks good. Now that the living room is done, we have 2 directions we can go. I'm not sure exactly what we're doing, but we have to finish the kitchen and we have to finish the bedroom back here.
Yeah.
So this is the back bedroom. And as you can see, nothing is done in here aside from this little panel up here.
I think we should do this room next.
Yeah.
Get the walls up. That's the next step.
We're only held up in the kitchen because of countertops. We're going to do butcher block, but I just don't want to spend the money on it because one countertop could be, you know, 2 walls of this room. Mm-hmm. And I feel like this is better progress. You get what I'm saying? Just as far as visual progress. We'll get to that later. So I think you're right. This is the place to go.
Yeah.
We'll start picking up wall panels and just getting it done. You can see over here the closet, a lot of work that needs to be done in here. This room is tricky because it takes more panels, especially when you get into the closet. But for now, that's all we can do today. So, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.